here and I will create a new measure. So now for us, the total orders is nothing but the count of each and every row in the data which we have. And why I'm taking the count, because I already told you the through at the time of data walkthrough that the each row in this particular data set represent an order, right? So we have a field called transaction ID, which I told you that also, that it acts as a primary key, which is a non-null value, and each and every row on that particular field is unique, and so that we are going to make use of that itself. Right? All right. So I will name it as total orders, name of the field, that is nothing but total orders, and here we have to find out the count distinct, right? So we will take the distinct count, okay, distinct count of nothing but transaction ID, right? So it will be where is it at, transaction, or I will just name it as underscore ID, underscore ID. So that is transaction ID, and I will just close this and I will hit enter, right? So now what I will do, we already found out the total orders, but we want to bring that into the visualization. So for that, what I will do, I will just select this entire thing, okay, and control C and control V. So we are creating one more instance over here, right? And I will just try to place it over here nice and clean, right? And now we will make use of the same thing to find out the total orders. So instead of this, I will just we have to show the total orders, but now once selection, it is selecting the entire group value. So I'll just select one more time, I'll just click one more time, and you will see the value over here. So instead of total sales, I will use it as total orders, right? So you can see the total orders are 34,000. So let's see if you want to show it as the exact value. So yes, we have to show it as the exact value. So I will go to format visual, go to call out values, and here instead of this, just select the total orders, right? So instead of all, just select the total orders, and here you can see uh, the display unit, you can see it is add to, just choose your none, okay? So you will see the entire exact value, that is full figure value in front of you, right? Now you have to change these other values also. So first we will change the spark line. So select the spark line, one click and second click. Now the spark line has been selected. So instead of total sales, I will just close this. Here we want total orders, right? So this is the total orders. We have to change the color of this. So just go here, then go in lines, and from here just select the color, right? So the color which we'll be using is this color, right? I think so it is this third one. Yeah. So this color we are going to choose. And now we have to find out this particular other month-on-month orders and month-on-month order difference. So for that, first we have to find out the current month orders. So we will make use of same current month sales calculation only, just few change in the field. So I will just select this calculation first, and I will copy this entire calculation. So Control C, and I will right click here and create a new measure. All right, and then Control V, and instead of current month sales, I will name it as current month orders. And here, instead of everything will be same, just instead of total sales, we will be using it as total orders, right? And the explanation of this query I've already give the DAX, I can say I've already explained in the while calculating for total sales. So same explanation is here, just we will be using the total orders, right? So we found out the current month orders. Now we have to find out previous month orders. So I will use previous month sales calculation. So I'll just copy this, right click here, and I will just click on new measure, and I will paste it over here. So instead of current month sales here, it will be what, current month orders. So here instead of current month sales, here it will be current month orders, or other things will be same. Just click over here. So you can see the name already exists, so it will be current month orders, right? And just click over here. And now next, what we have to find out, the large query we have, where we have to find out combined all the measures in one single DAX itself. That is nothing but the month on month orders and month on month order difference. So this is the calculation we wrote it for the, you can see that for sales, same we will make use of. So I'll just copy this, Control C, right click over here, click on new measure, and I will paste it over here. So instead of this sales, it will be what we are finding it for orders, right? And here same, instead of current month sales, we have to use orders, previous month, current month orders minus previous month orders. Similarly here also, here it will be orders, here also it will be orders, here also it will be orders. Getting all other the formats and the display formats will be same. So it will just take the feed of the value from this particular things which we changed, right? And just hit enter, right? And I will close this, and now we have to change that particular value. So just click two times, then go here, go to general, go to title, and we have to change this title. So just click on this FX, and here we will change the value to month on month orders, right? So we now want orders to be displayed. Just click on OK. So as soon as you do, you can see the now values are being changed, and we see the values for that is 32.3%, which are the same value that is when the May month has been selected, and 8.2K is the difference between the current month and the difference between the last month. Okay. So I hope you are understanding what we are doing this here. So once one KPI is designed, you can automatically design the others, right? So now same thing what I will do, I'll just copy this again, Control C and Control V, entire thing, and we'll bring it over here.